Hey, welcome back to my new video. This is Easy Tutorials, and for those of you who are the first time in this channel, please consider subscribing. Today we'll be creating this. Before we start, I'd like to invite you to support me on Patreon. You can also get access to all my premium content. So let's start. Create a new composition. I'm using the Full HD 1080 pixels preset with 30 frames per second and 3 seconds long. Select your text tool and write something. I'm using the Strawberry Blossom font family, which can be found free on the internet. Place your text in the middle of your composition. Right-click on it, and select Create Shapes from Text. Change the fill to None, and the stroke to Solid Color. Also, change the stroke size to 5 pixels. Click here to open the layer's properties. Then click Add, and select Trim Paths from the list. Open the Trim Paths properties, and create keyframes on start and end. Move to 1 second. And click here to create other keyframes. Also, change the end value to 0%. Move back to 5 frames, and drag this keyframe like this. Now, change the start value to 100%. Your text animation should look like this. Let's make it more interesting. Go to Effects and Presets panel, and search for Glow. Apply the effect to your outline layer. And change the glow radius to 30. Select the layer and click Ctrl+D to duplicate it. Change its stroke color. Duplicate this layer too. And change the stroke color again. Now, offset the outline layers like this. This is how our text animation looks. There are different ways to make the text appear, and the easiest one would be this one. Click here to make your text visible again. Move to 15 frames, select the text layer and click T to open the opacity. Create a keyframe here, and change the opacity value to 0%. Move forward to 25 frames, and change this value to 100%. Select the Anchor Point tool. And activate snapping. Now, move your text anchor point to its center. Click S to open the scale properties. And change this value to 97%. Looks good, our text animation, doesn't it? Let's make it even more complex. Delete the opacity keyframes. Grab your rectangle tool, and draw a shape like this. Change stroke to None. And fill to Solid Color. Move to the first frame of your composition, select the shape layer, and click P to open position. Click here to create a keyframe. Move 10 frames forward, and drag your shape like this. Select both keyframes, right-click on one of them, and ease them. Place the shape layer on top of your text layer. And change the track matte of your text to Alpha Matte. For now, our animation looks like this. Select these two layers, and pre-compose them. Name the new layer, Text. Don't forget to select Move all attributes to the new composition. Go to Effects and Presets panel and search for Tint. Apply it to your text layer. And change this color to yellow or any other color you like. Drag your text layer like this, and make it start from around 15 frames. Duplicate the text layer. And change the fill color to a different color. I will choose blue. Duplicate this layer again, and change the fill color to your final color, in my case is white. Offset these 3 layers like this. Now let's see our final text animation. Wow, it looks awesome. I hope you enjoyed this tutorial on how to create a dynamic text animation in After Effects. Don't forget to subscribe, hit the like button and comment. It would be great to know your opinions about my tutorials. Also, you can make requests for new tutorials, about interesting effects or animations that you would like to learn. See you soon.